everybody, welcome back to another video. My name is Anton Maroon, and today we're just having a chill day. We're just gonna go, I'm off this weekend, and we're gonna go chill by the beach, and we're gonna kind of use my van, kind of locally. I've never cooked a meal in the van, so today is gonna be the first time we actually make a meal in the van. Don't know what we're gonna make today, but I'm sure it'll be delicious. Yeah, I'm super duper excited to just kind of chill locally in the van, kind of on my off days, and yeah, I'm excited. This van project of mine has been basically a year in the making, and I'm super excited to finally start using it. And yeah, I'm excited to where this journey is going. Hopeful. I'm trying to bond with my van. I've been working so hard on it all year that I need some quality time. Right now, like I said, like very location dependent right now for my work, and also trying to save money for like a big road trip. That would be really cool. I spent like literally all my money just building this van, and now that I have the van, I got no money. I didn't really think about this, but I guess before you plan on making a meal, you got to go to the store and get some ingredients for the meal. So forgot to plan that part. So we're going to the store. Alright, that was a pretty successful trip to the grocery store. Pretty straightforward. Little expensive. Didn't realize how expensive spices were, or at least good spices. I think each one of those little bottles were like $6 to $8 a pop. Woo! Haven't been to the grocery store in a while. Not cheap. Good thing you only have to buy those every once in a while. Also, the meat was expensive too. I don't know if I'm gonna go to this store in a pretty long time. It all depends on how many subscribers I have. If you guys want me to eat good, please subscribe. Sheesh. Oh my god. Oof. Driving this van is, for a second I thought I was in my Corolla. Oh my gosh, this car doesn't turn as tight as I thought. Ay caramba. Okay, I'm all good now. All right, the mission right now is that we have our food packed in the fridge. Now we're gonna go find a nice, somewhat serene spot and try to make our meal. Hey everybody, we just found a spot. Difficult to park. I think this view will do for our liking. Yeah, ready to cook. Okay, gotta get out the ingredients. Let's see. We are going to start with a pan. Pure Irish butter. Pure Irish butter. We got some 100% grass-fed expensive beef. And we got Tattooed Chef organic greens. The first step is handy dandy mini chopping board, handy dandy poquito más grande chopping board. Probably gotta wash this because I'm just actually pulling the stickers off it. Let's give it a nice quick rinse. All right. I hope I have water. No, just kidding. Towel. First step. All right. Okay. I got one hand for beef, the other hand for spices. Spices, let's see here. Okay. We're having technical difficulties. Roger that. There we go. Probably should have opened my spices before I touch the beef. Trying to be sanitary. Okay. This is some Himalayan coarse pink salt. All right. Oh, wow. We got salt everywhere. Okay. By the way, this is the first meal that I'm cooking in the van. Wow. So that explains why my system is not so dialed, so to speak. You know what? This is trouble. Okay, let's see. You know what? I'm going to wash my hands first. Wash my hands. Gonna my black pepper, my salt, and get everything ready before I start. Oh my goodness. Okay, round 2. Okay, smells simply organic. Get cracking. Smells so good. Okay. Oh yeah. Making sure to open all of my containers before I continue to touch the meat. This is difficult. They don't teach you this in college. This is real life skills right here. Okay, that'll do. Okay, now that I have that settled, I'm gonna season. Let's flip it around. It is peppered. Now garlic powder. There is seasonings everywhere. So these bowls are washed, but I didn't get the sticker quite off yet from Walmart, so we're just gonna have to make do. It's a disaster. But before you can become a master, it has to be a disaster. So, okay, I think that's pretty well seasoned. I'm gonna put this in the sink. A little more black pepper. It's kind of fun. Can't believe I'm by the beach right now. What else do we need? Ah, I bought an onion. Let me wash my hands. Wash, 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 wash. Okay. Note to self. Need more counter space. Oh, dun 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 dun. There we go. Okay, that's what that's for. Handy dandy onion. I think with cooking, the longest part of the process is actually the prep, getting everything ready. Once you put it in, it's easy. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Like, okay. Woo, yeah, yeah. Just kidding. Safety first. Wow, it's a sharp knife. Note to self. Pure Irish butter. Kerrygold butter. It's that 100% pure Irish butter. Inverter on. This is the first time using this thing and I'm so excited. All electric, no propane, induction cooktop. Wow, look at that. Look at that. Oh my gosh. I forgot to get like avocado oil, so I'm just using butter and I'm curious to see if this ends up like, I don't know, burning or something. I'm a little bit wary of this method, but we'll see what happens. It's all I got. I'm just a man. I make mistakes. Okay, let's see here. Okay, smells delicious. Oh my goodness. Maybe a little more of that fresh Irish butter. All right. Oh, okay. I'm just winging this part. Thanks, guys. Okay, let's see. Ooh, all right. A little strange in the video. It's showing these lights blinking on and off like crazy, but they're not. Don't know what's happening there, but it should be fine. Jeez Louise. Oh, that's so good. Woo! Wait. All right, time to do the taste test. First meal in the van. Oh, I forgot a knife. Very simple ingredients. I think I actually overcooked the meat a little bit. Kind of hard to gauge, but that is so good. I forgot a knife, so gotta eat it primal style. Yeah, I definitely cooked it too much, but that's all right. I'm kind of weird with my food. Sometimes, like, I rather overcook it a little bit than undercook it. What I don't look forward to is the cleanup. I was gauging how much electric I used. I used 11% of my battery bank to make this meal, which probably took at least 20, 25 minutes. So, yeah, I don't know. It's kind of a cloudy day, so I'm not getting the best charge, but that's pretty good. Only 10% of my battery almost, and, you know, it was kind of a longer meal to make. So, I'm happy. Right, now that everything is cleaned up and put away and my belly's full, now it's time to just kind of rest and relax a little. Why not? Ow! Hit my knee. All right, I guess I'm just gonna chill. There we go. All right. Ooh, that kind of hurt my knee. Ah, that's all right. Okay. All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching and coming along with this